In this guide, you'll learn how to create a Google AdSense account for YouTube using a simple step-by-step process. If you want to turn your YouTube passion into income, AdSense is the tool that allows YouTube to pay you for ads placed on your videos. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, you can begin earning. Before creating an AdSense account, make sure your channel is eligible. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last year, or you can qualify through Shorts by reaching 10 million eligible views. When your channel meets these requirements, YouTube will notify you inside YouTube Studio. Go to your Studio dashboard, open the Earn section, and look at the eligibility area. When you see that your channel is marked as eligible, you can begin the monetization setup. In the Earn tab, you'll find an option to start linking or creating your AdSense account. If you've never created an AdSense account before, click the Start button under the AdSense section. You'll be asked to sign in using a Google account. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect to your YouTube channel, then Google will guide you through the AdSense onboarding process. When asked for your website, YouTube automatically provides the necessary information so you can continue without worrying. If it asks what country or region you're located in, select the correct one and agree to the terms and conditions to move forward. After this, AdSense will ask for your personal details. Make sure to enter your full legal name, complete address, and any tax information required by your region. If you're in the United States, you'll need to enter your SSN or EIN. Creators outside the US will complete the tax form specific to their country. Accurate information is important because Google uses this for verifying your identity and sending payments. Once your information is submitted, you will set up your payment method. Google AdSense supports several payout options, including direct bank deposit, wire transfer, or checks depending on your region. Add your bank details carefully and make sure everything is correct, because this is how you'll receive your earnings once your balance reaches the minimum payment threshold. After linking your AdSense account, return to YouTube Studio. Under the monetization section, you'll see that your AdSense account is now connected. At this point, you can choose which types of ads you want to enable on your videos. Options include skippable ads, non-skippable ads, display ads, overlay ads, and more. It's recommended to enable all eligible ad formats so you can maximize your potential revenue. Before ads start showing, make sure you follow YouTube's policies. Avoid copyrighted content, avoid misleading thumbnails, stay away from harmful or restricted content categories, and ensure your videos meet advertiser-friendly guidelines. Good policy compliance increases your chances of earning more because advertisers prefer channels with clean, safe content. Once everything is set up, your videos will start running ads, and you can track your earnings in the Revenue tab inside YouTube Analytics. Here you'll see your RPM, estimated monthly revenue, ad types, membership earnings, and more. Growth takes time, so consistency and patience are key. The more high-quality videos you publish, the more you increase your earning potential through AdSense.